wind and it calls my name. It whispers every day. I just know I can feel the wind and it carries me.
Good morning, namaste, salam alaikum, welcome back. A very sunny day, but a beautiful day because I am sitting right here. Yes. Okay, so I think I'll just walk slowly bit towards where they are going. बस ये सामने पानी का
जैसे वो जा रहा है ऐसे जाएं ऐसे सीधा सीधा
हाँ
तू चल आगे
मैं चलूँ
नहीं आप ही चल रहे मतलब
इसको फॉलो कर लिया तो उसको फॉलो कर लिया ऐसे हाँ उसी को हाँ
बोल रहा है ऐसे जाने को डेप्थ कितनी है डेप्थ
मेरा पैर गया काम से नॉट स्ट्रेट वीडियो बना लो भाई आ जाओ यार ये गले में डाल लो वरना ही गिर जाएंगे ऐसे अरे हाथ में नीचे चले जाएंगे ऐसे यार ये तो फेंक दो मेरे को ऐसे मत रखो स्टिक नहीं है ना आपके पास भी फेंक दो ऐसे बूमरंग बना दिया चल चल आगे हाँ रुक मत फ्लो के अपोजिट में चलना सीखो फ्लो के साथ नहीं फ्लो के अपोजिट में चलना ऐसा So 500 meters where I was sitting after my leg got sprained. We got the caves, we climbed. Now we are going near the waterfall, which we did not yesterday, and we changed the plan early in the morning of not going towards the lake or to the lake, just because there's no water at all. So I'm slower than ever now because of my leg. They're already there. Wow, walking on the rocks is tough, man, really tough. Well, I'll just somehow reach the waterfall, and yeah, I can't even talk because I'm in pain.
I'm a wanderer.
Chule!
I've been chasing each sunset until the new morning rises. 'Cause we've lost our heartbeats go home together.
मैं इसका ब्लेयर विच प्रोजेक्ट 4 बनाऊंगा. ब्लेयर विच प्रोजेक्ट 4.
Lives in flicks of snow, the sons of life that give us hope. I'm a wanderer.
Full day again, and we are still in Mane, so we stayed another day over here just because we love the place. I mean, it's just so calm and beautiful. Just see there, and here. Hi, क्या कर रहे हो? So now we are going to Dhankar. We just got a pickup truck over here which is directly going to Dhankar, so we first planned to go by bus. So for that we would have to wake up early in the morning, take a pickup or car or whatever going towards the main road, and then take a bus towards Sishling, and then again take another hitchhike towards Dhankar. Our second option was to take a taxi morning before all the taxis leave from Mane to Kaza, because they get good money from Kaza. So yeah, which we couldn't get, not even a single one. Now the third option is to get a hitchhike, which we already did. There's a pickup right over there standing, not waiting for us, but we are waiting for it. They have like 4 furniture or something like that. They are just putting it down, and then we are going to leave to Dhankar. Yeah, so 3-4 days in Mane, and it was a beautiful place, and it was so calming, so soothing, and one of the most beautiful places in Spiti. You have to visit no matter what. There are guest houses. We live with, I forgot the name of the homestay estate. I'm going to just put their name and description over here and in the description. His name is Sonam. Amazing food, amazing place to stay, beautiful views, calming, soothing place ever. And yeah, I'll see you soon.
रोकेगा, बिल्कुल रोकेगा। किधर जाना, किधर किधर नहीं रोकेगा। उतर जाओ, उतर जाओ, उतर जाओ।
ये देखो
रह गया, अब तो कैसे उतरेगा? आराम से मत उतर। जब धीरे होगी तब
रुक जाओ।
यही रह गया।
रुको अभी मिल जाएगा ना, तब रुकिए।
टक करना।
सुनाई नहीं देगा, कर रहा हूँ, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है।
इसके पास अभी रोकेंगे।
भाई जल्दी जाएगा, जल्दी बोल। अंकल जी 1 मिनट। अंकल
अरे हिट कर ऐसे।
अरे अंकल जी, ओ अंकल जी।
भैया
एक मिनट, लड़का है।
चलो उतर गया।
मेरे को लगा इनको आगे तक
मेरी
चलना है।
फट गई है, कहाँ लेके जाऊंगा इसको मैं?
मेरे को लगा इनको आगे तक चलना है।